Hey guys, you know Power 3 can be traded in a lot of different ways, but today I would like to share my personal approach, the way I use it every single morning on NQ, and yes, my goal is to keep this simple and be done with trading before 10 a.m. If you've been looking for a structured way to trade Power 3 without complicating things, this video can help you. But first guys, let's start with basics. Candlestick formation. We all know about open, high, low, close, open, low, high, close, but what this actually means? How we can trade this? Well guys, everything starts with open of candle, any candle on any time frame. So, and at the open normally we see accumulation. So basically consolidation, low volume moves. Next phase is manipulation, and manipulation forms low or high of the candle. But how can I predict manipulation? How I understand if it's going to be manipulation or continuation, right? So basically manipulation will be to the high time frame level, or it's going to be in the direction of high time frame trend if high time frame level never was taken. You probably want to ask me, you just said continuation? We just trade to high time frame level and we anticipate this as manipulation. How should I trade this? Obviously, we're not going to blindly trade off high time frame level or just anticipate continuation lower or higher because we're trading in the direction of high time frame trend. No, we are not going to blindly enter the trades. What can actually help us is lower time frame. Guys, I already shared how I trade hourly and 30-minute chart in my previous video using lower time frame approach, but in this video I would like to share how you can trade only just 1 hour a day, and it's going to be right before market open. So guys, we are going to trade hourly candle, 9 a.m. hourly candle, and we are going to use 2-minute structure to confirm potential framework for distribution. What is framework for distribution? It's basically the range between open and low or open and high of the candle. And once lower time frame framework for distribution confirmed, we are going to trade range expansion. In other words, distribution.
Introducing the filter.
I just mentioned lower time frame framework for distribution confirmed. But what is this? We heard about bodies tell the story while wicks do the damage. So it's not the case. And at this point, high time frame wick will offer lower time frame shift. This means inside this framework for distribution, we should get shift and structure. So let's see how we can do this. The best way to confirm lower time frame framework for distribution, once again, is to get shift in structure. This means let's consider this up close candle. We anticipate to get reversal or continuation of the direction of high time frame trend between open and low of the candle. So once again, how we can confirm low? It's either going to trade to high time frame level, or it's going to be continuation if we never ever took any high time frame level. This means the distance between open and low of this candle is going to be framework for distribution. And in order to confirm this framework for distribution, I need to get lower time frame shift, and this shift is going to be confirmed by order block. Only inside this framework for distribution, so basically between open and low of this candle, I need to get a lower time frame change in the state of delivery. Okay, I said I'm going to trade hourly 9 a.m. power of 3, but which time frame should I use to confirm this? So at this point in this video, I would like to show you how I use hourly power of 3 and confirm this lower time frame framework for distribution on 2-minute chart. Okay, here is example. So open of candle, hourly candle, 9 a.m. hourly candle, price slightly consolidated near open of this candle. Then we got move lower, so basically we broke consolidation low. Maybe we trade to high time frame level. Maybe we still trading in the direction of high time frame trend because we didn't hit any high time frame level. But once again, we got open. We got manipulation, and in order to confirm this manipulation, I need to get what? I need to get lower time frame shift and structure on 2-minute chart. It's going to be 2-minute order block. So I will use, and I always going to use sequence of up or down close candles, and I'm waiting for the closure above sequence of down close candles if I'm looking for bullish shift, or I'm going to wait for the closure below sequence of up close candles if I'm looking for down move. So at this point we got closure above sequence of down close candles. I'm going to open my position at the open of next candle. I'm going to put my stop loss at swing low, and I'm going to aim for 2R. So this strategy is pretty much straightforward. I'm going to only aim for 2R always. And the point where I'm going to move my stop loss at break-even is going to be once I'm up 1.5 R, it's break-even spot. But as I mentioned in my previous video, you can use this approach in any time frame. So for example, using time frame alignment chart, we can use this on 4 chart, hourly chart, 15-minute, 2-minute chart, and 3-minute chart. It's going to be our lower time frame framework for distribution. So this means when I'm looking for weekly candlestick formation, I'm going to use 4-hour chart to confirm potential low or high of the candle by using changing the state of delivery on 4 chart. On daily, I'm going to use hourly. On 4 chart, I'm going to use 15-minute chart. On hourly, I'm going to use 5 or 2-minute chart. Or on 30-minute chart, I'm going to use 3-minute chart. And I do like this approach because when I'm looking for intraday buyers, I use daily candle and I'm looking where we traded into. So if it's high is in or low is in, and if so, I think like, okay, it's potential low of this daily candle. Do I have hourly change in the state of delivery between open and low of the candle? Pretty much often, but not always, 9 a.m. hourly power of 3 can provide the bias for the entire IM session. So basically, I'm looking for the trade of high time frame or medium time frame level. High time frame level or medium time frame level can be Asia kill zone liquidity levels, buy side or sell side liquidity levels, load and kill zone high or low, previous day high, previous day low level, previous week high, previous week low level, or any high time frame PDRA such as fair value gap, order block, inversion fair value gap. Okay guys, here's example of my long trade on NQ. I added this to my playbook on TradeZella. So it was March 20th. So I took these 3 micros only. And as you can see, we got run to sell side liquidity level with SMT with ES. After this, what happened? We traded below 9 a.m. open. So pretty much consolidations and break below consolidation low, a reaction from a high time frame level, closure above sequence of done close candles, entry at the open of next candle, stop loss is my swing low, I'm going to aim for 2R. Let's try to backtest this